In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to your Squarespace website. This is an essential step for setting up your online store and ensuring your customers can complete transactions smoothly using PayPal as a payment option. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have PayPal integrated and ready to go. To start, make your way to your Squarespace home. Once logged into your account, you should be on your Squarespace dashboard. This is your central hub where you manage all aspects of your website. Here's a tip. If you have multiple sites, make sure you are on the correct one where you wish to integrate PayPal, as this process is specific to each individual site. Next, locate the search bar within the home area of your dashboard. It's usually positioned at the top, offering a quick way to navigate the platform. Clicking on it will allow you to type in specific keywords and jump directly to the section you need without scrolling through endless options. For our purpose today, go ahead and type Payments. This action will pull up options related to the payment setup on your website. After typing in Payments, hit Enter, and you'll see the Payments option pop up on your screen. Give it a click. This section is where you manage everything related to transactions and the financial workings of your site. It's crucial to understand this area as it plays a significant role in your site's e-commerce capabilities. In the Payments section, look for the option to connect with PayPal. You'll find a list of payment processors, and PayPal should be prominently displayed. Now, with prospects set on PayPal, you'll see a Connect button beneath the PayPal icon. Go ahead and click Connect. This step links Squarespace with your PayPal account, ensuring both communicate during transactions on your site. During this step, you might be prompted to log into your PayPal account to authorize this connection. Make sure your PayPal account details are at hand so you can easily input them. Keeping your login credentials close by will streamline the process and ensure you maintain your workflow. Once logged in, grant Squarespace the necessary permissions to access PayPal. This authorization step is essential as it allows Squarespace to process payments and update you on the transactions. With these steps completed, PayPal should now be successfully connected to your Squarespace site. This connection facilitates a seamless transaction experience for your customers, who can now confidently use PayPal to make purchases. And there you have it. You've successfully linked PayPal to your Squarespace website, paving the way for efficient and reliable payment processing. Remember to test the setup by running a trial transaction to ensure everything functions perfectly. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Happy selling!